What's going on, guys and girls? I am working on my daughter's 2013 Volkswagen Beetle 2.5 liter engine, replacing the plastic vacuum line. I've already put the new one on. It runs from the vacuum port here along up to the brake booster. Whenever you're working on this, you have to get this undone. I found the best way is to slowly wiggle it around and then work it out, because on the end you're going to have little places that catch when it goes inside the rubber boot inside the booster. This is the old one. It cracked, so I had to wrap it with some duct tape to seal it off. Now on the other end, down here where it attaches and gets its vacuum, it attaches right there. On that end, I'll show you on the old one, it just slowly wiggles around when it's, well, it cracked here too, so it was slowly wiggling around, and you just slowly work it off. When you work it off, you may end up leaving this rubber grommet that I put back in. You may end up leaving that behind on the boot, on the vacuum port. So when you pull this off, go back and check. Pull this off too, the rubber grommet off too, so you can get the new one on. The upper end at the booster will still have some vacuum left in it, so just be very slow and gentle with it, and you'll hear it slowly lose its pressure, and then it'll come out. Use a little, I wouldn't use oil. I used a little bit of saliva just to kind of wet the grommet that it goes into, so it would slide in very smooth and easy. You could use water, I guess, not much. This end went on very easy, and to get to all that, to replace it, good idea to remove the battery, because the battery stands up and blocks all this off. Of course, you have to take off the air box engine cover as well. So again, just a quick video showing you how to do this. I looked on YouTube, I didn't see anybody else showing this for the Beetle, for the 2.5 liter. Talk to you guys later. Bye.